Look at the numbers of the first set.
Well, USC was able to at least, no, nahabol nila yung attack points ng Perpetual dahil kanina, halos doble. Hindi, actually more than double, 11-5. So ngayon, 9-13, ang block points ng Perpetual. Just one more. Pero yung errors ng USC, mas, kasi between the two, kailangan sila yung less errors eh.
Okay. Kasi yun ay isa pa. They have to manage their errors. Too many unforced errors in the course of the season. In the elimination round, that's off speed.
Amazing,
Yeah.
Miss Hulga. What a shot.
May miscue siya kanina kasi tinaliguran niya yung serve. Naghahanap ng pagkakataon makabawi si Shonshon Jesulga.
Well, so far on their side, Bate with 6 points, Spanish with 3. Sa kabila naman, itong Cesar team with already 5 and Diaz with 4.
Lakas.
Pasok pa rin. Cross court yun ang pag malakas ang palo mo, talagang yan ang way to go. Pag medyo nafe-feel mo na itong araw na to, medyo malalakas yung palo mo, hindi mo masyado magamit yung wrist mo, go cross court. Yun muna. Kunin mo muna yung feel mo dun sa mahahaba.
Iba yung geographical distance eh, no ha?
Katulad dun, it really looked long,
Yes,
pero pumasok pa rin.
Yes, indeed. In the meantime, that's blocked twice. Bate. Bate gets it back. Long. It's a push ata. No, they...
Net violation.
Net violation.
Lucky break there for USC. Up now by 3.
Best start nila so far. First set, they could not get anything going. Shakey's for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Jesulga serve. Condada got to it. Argarin. Tubino got the first point of Perpetual.
Just too much, even for Obinke. Napakalakas ng palo talaga ni Honey Rose Tubino.
You know, she seems to be getting stronger with every tournament, actually. And Tubino is
Honey
serving.
Royce.
Royce.
Mali. Hindi pala Rose. Honey Royce.
You've seen every kind of female name, I believe, in the Shakey's Relay. Names created by parents, names
By half
by
a parent,
lolas,
half of a parent.
or by all of the lolas in one name.
Uy, ganyan ako. Ako may...
Okay, sorry.
Merong ano.
Naki-
Hindi, ganun naman talaga yung so Filipino. Napaka-Pinoy niyan.
Ang ating bilang po ay 2-3. Lamang po ang San Carlos dito sa second set, pero hindi nila nakuha yung first set. And Honey Royce Tubino to serve. Bate.
You know, si De Los Santos has really mastered that quick hit. Yun, halos, akala ko mahuhuli na siya eh. But the timing is
Yes, indeed.
once again there. Halos dinidelay pa nga niya, which ang quick talaga. Dapat yan, palo ka agad eh.
By the way, we'd just like to thank our Igan Arnold Clavio for hosting our players in his program. We had Rachel Dakis, I think Eliza Valdez, and some of the other players
Ang saya naman.
guesting. Then we just like the continued support of the GMA News TV network for the V-League, where the girls never had it so good. And the game as well, actually.
Oh, powerful hit, but dig was there.
Ako ang ganda ng gumalaw ni Sandra De Los Santos. Okay, sabi niya. Ako yun, sabi niya. Resetting. Argarin.
Long rally.
Sumisigaw pa pag pumalo. Bate! Huli ka! Back set. Off speed. Bukas tayo matatapos until Sandra said, I have a date. Huwag kayong magulo.
Ended it with a push. And ang maganda dun sa last play na yun, ang daming iba-ibang klaseng tira ang nakita
Yes,
natin.
indeed. That's a good
Powerful,
observation.
push, off speed. Lahat, ang dami, ang ganda.
And including a crawler over the net. 6 straight points by Perpetual. They were down 3-0 at the start because it's the official ball of the Shakey's Relay.
Well, so far, 7 excellent dicks na itong USC at now Perpetual naman having 6.
Bate. Akin na, akin na.
Mas maganda pakinggan yun, di ba? Kaysa sa yours.
Oo. Ikaw. Walang makukuha ang bola, no?
Free ball.
Bate, mukhang paborito si Bate yung set, ha?
Pero sayang yun.
Ah.
Hindi nakapag-capitalize ang USC dun sa free ball na yun. Dahil short yung unang bola.
They got the point in a different way, actually. And they now... ito na si Cortez, who likes to serve on the other side. Actually, nung araw, hindi ka pwedeng
Yes, meron lang box.
may box doon, eh, no?
Meron lang
Doon ka ba nakiusap?
line.
Nakiusap din sa mga photographer? Mamang photographer, urong langon ng konti.
Yung mga nanonood minsan pag sa probinsya ka naglalaro, doon na nakaupo sa likod mo.
Excuse me po, excuse me.
Excuse me, naka-panty shorts po ako. Boso na yan. Masyadong malapit.
7-5. Mga anak natin, pag nagkikwentong gano'n. Ano yung pinag-uusapan yun?
Panty shorts, ano yan?
Sabi nga sa akin ng keeper, Sir, ano naman pinag-usapan niyo ng mami ko ng isang araw sa volleyball? Huwag ka na makialam.
Alam ba eh?
Oo. Bate. Diaz. Si Joy Casas talaga parang mag-high jump tuwing ang atake. Pinush ni Bate.
Pwedeng-pwede talaga.
Sandra. Graceful move. Set for Bate. Ay,
Yan,
mahaba na rally.
Another long exchange between these two schools.
Uy, nahulugan. Yan ang deflating pag mahaba yung rally. Yan ang biglang, Sige, buhayin natin ng espiritu ng laro. Magbabalik yung may pagkatapos ng technical timeout.